Swabek is asking, if the bubble starts to burst, will you still hold on to the shares for 2 years? I'm not changing the plan that I have here, meaning what I bought and what I said I was buying. Aside from that ETF on American government bonds, that is the only exception. I can sell that at any time. I have that as a cash reserve, and if there are drops on the stock market, I will definitely sell it. Maybe not definitely, but I'll sell to buy more shares. And nothing changes in the plan here. No matter what happens, no matter if we have a bubble or not, I believe that there is no bubble. So I'm holding what I said. I'm holding for at least 2 years. After 2 years, I'll check if my assumptions have changed and if anything in the companies has changed. If it hasn't changed, I keep holding. So only after a year. The following year, so after those 3 years, I'll decide again. So later, after every year. I'll be checking the company for a year. If nothing changes there, then I hold. The exception is if drastic things change. So for example, well, I guess the best example would be the company Axome Therapeutics. Because this is like the company that I think will be the dark horse in the portfolio. And if something could change here in this company, something drastic, I mean that something could change here. For example, their product will have side effects, let's say, or I don't know what could happen there, that it stops being recommended, sold, and so on, because that's an exception. This company in the portfolio is an exception because they have 2 main products, and if one product fails, well, let's say if one product fails, then we have a drop in revenue by 50%, and then there's a problem. In all the other companies that are there, there's likely no such problem because the product is diversified. I find it hard to believe that in a company like CrowdStrike, with such a strong product, cybersecurity software, something could happen, competition could overtake them, and so on. I don't really believe that here. It's more about those small companies. So here's an example of that too. What could happen for me to ruin this company, to ruin this 2-year plan? And I mean, ruin, I've already said that this is an exception. If something changes, the management changes, I don't know, they kick out the CEO, they start arguing, that's also a reason to sell such a company. If nothing changes, it's just like at the beginning, 2 years. And no matter what happens on the stock market, if there was a total crash, I'm holding according to the plan.